welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dimma. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you are watching this video and this is not my first video that you've watched, so you actually came back here because you enjoyed the last thing you watched, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. The analytics are telling me that it's like a very, I don't want to say the percentage because it's very disturbing, of you people who are actually, like, a lot of people who actually come back to watch my videos and not subscribed. Why? You like my video, obviously. Subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. I've done one of these before, but to be honest, this one is going to be so different from that one. You guys really enjoy it when I cook in the vlogs. So I was like, okay, let me give you guys a video that is just like mostly food, and then let's see how this goes. If you guys like this, then I'll do more of it. So today I'm going to be doing breakfast, lunch, dinner for you guys in this video. Some of the things that I'm going to be sharing, especially the breakfast, is not conventional Nigerian regular Nigerian breakfast. I want to show you guys my pan fried potatoes the way that I enjoy it. We're going to move on to breakfast first, and then I'll show you guys what I have for lunch, and then I'll show you guys what I have for dinner. I have a couple of things to do in between all of this, so I'll do breakfast, come back, do a couple of things, do lunch, do a couple of things, do dinner. Hopefully you guys can see. So I have my eggs here. These eggs are so good. You guys saw me add some basil, and let me tell you guys, this basil thing, a game changer. I don't know why I never did that before this year. The potatoes, right? Like, this is the best pan fried potatoes I don't know, like my favorite. Okay, let me not say you will try, but I'm telling you from experience, my best so far. And then this is just a side of salad, and I put some avocado and just a tiny little and just a tiny little bit of Italian dressing. So this is just like the perfect balance, I would say, for, you know, you have all the things that you need in here. Like guys, if you love, I won't say spicy, but if you love savory food, please check out Italian dressing. Okay, it's not too sweet. I feel like for me it makes it like taste like I'm eating more than vegetable, and sometimes it doesn't matter how strong the vegetable that you've paired or the salad that you've paired the Italian dressing with is, like Italian dressing will show up and show out. Guys, these potatoes, to be honest, if you don't try anything from today's video, try these potatoes. The best. The one thing again that I like about this potato recipe is that it refrigerates well. So I cook enough to last me about 4 days. You guys saw. Then I just took a tiny little bit from what I had in the pan. It warms well in the microwave. This is so good. I put my plate. So I'm going to go do a couple of other things because I have quite a few things to do in between, and then I'll show you guys lunch. I'm going to have stir-fried pasta for lunch. I think I've showed this recipe before on the vlogs, but then I'll show you guys proper how I do it, and if possible share a recipe in the description box. I'm going to be making enough to last me about 4 days, and I'll just eat some from it.
For something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, go, go.
The lighting has changed a little bit. It's been very gloomy because of the rain and all of that, but this is the pasta. I really like this pasta. It's so easy to make actually. Stir fry is always like easy to make, and I like to eat it with egg. Tastes really good. I'm just going to split this and just kind of eat it through the week, but I really love it, and I don't know, it's just so good. Really good. I don't make this as often as I would like to because I think that every time I make it, I really cannot control the way that I eat, but this is very, very good. I highly recommend that you guys try this one out as well. And with this recipe, it doesn't even have to be pasta. I think that you can even substitute the pasta for rice, and you're going to love what you end up with, you know. It's just that me with rice, I always feel like I have to eat this type of rice, like stir-fried rice with some sort of sauce. But with the pasta, I don't need to. I don't feel like I need to, if you understand what I'm saying. So it's time for dinner. I took my makeup off after the meeting and I feel so much better. Like with the makeup that I did, I was actually trying out some products just to see how they performed. I got a bunch of new things, eyeliner, foundation, all of that. That's what I kind of did before I started filming this video. So I'll tell you guys what I think of those products still in an upcoming video. But I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to have for dinner now. So these days, I tend to leave my heavier meals for breakfast and lunch, and then towards dinner, I either have a salad or a smoothie, something lighter. And if I get a bit hungry, I'll either make some popcorn or I'll have a granola bar. My favorite right now, I told you guys, is the Nature Valley one. I'm going to show you guys that one in a second minute, just shortly. I'll show you guys that one. The base that I'll be using for my smoothie is very similar to what I typically would use for my smoothie bowls, but this time around the smoothie is a lot like liquidy. So this is my favorite granola bar. It's the sweet and salty nut granola bar. It's the peanuts one. I love it so much. It reminds me of this there's a candy that we used to eat that had like ground nuts and honey and stuff in it when we were a lot younger. I don't remember what that candy was called, but this reminds me of it, and it has about 170 calories in it. Okay, so this is what my smoothie looks like, and I have banana, grape, blueberry in here. It tastes really good. The beetroot gave it this very nice color that I like. This smoothie is thick. I'm sure that it doesn't look it here, but it's thick that I just feel like I can't even gulp it. I feel like I have to like have it in my mouth and kind of chew it. I'm actually not chewing. I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but it's not like liquidy that you just swallow it, right? It's very thick. So with this, I normally take my time. I don't like gulp it down in one sitting. So I just keep doing things, and I hardly, like, I don't sit down proper to eat this like a meal. So I have to go tidy the office where I did a couple of things today. So I'll just keep sipping this as I go. In maybe an hour, I should be done with this, but that's just how I take my smoothies. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed. And let me know in the comment section if you guys liked this video. If you guys liked it, then I'll do more of it. Maybe once in a month I'll do like what I eat in a day videos for you guys. let me know. I'll see you guys in my next one.